Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. How to do this? Let's start. Now search in Google search engine WhatsApp and press enter button. You will find multiple results. Top of the result you will find official website. Now open this result. On this interface, top right side you will find download button. Click on it. Installer file is downloaded. Now click on three lines or dot and go to download section. Now right click on it and show in folder option. Click on show in folder. Right click on this setup and go to run as administrator. This setup will download from Microsoft Store. It will take some time if spent on your internet and PC speed. It's downloading. It's almost completed. WhatsApp interface is appear. Now expand this window and click on Get Started. You can log in with this QR code and you can also log in with phone number. Now click on phone number and select your country by search in search box. Now enter your phone number in this text box and press enter button. You will find OTP on your mobile screen. You can check in notification area. In the notification section, click on this notification and press confirm button. Write the OTP code that's appeared on your laptop or PC screen. After that, you will be redirected to WhatsApp homepage. You can see here we are logging here. These easy and simple steps that you can follow to install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Also, this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.